back to my channel. For today's video, we're just gonna go shop at Ikea. I don't know, just check out what's out there. It is currently 2:47 in the afternoon of March 3rd, I believe. We're just gonna go up here. So this is the showroom of Ikea. You could see like different setups in there, like wardrobes, office setup, living and dining room setup. And yeah, they're cute. We got this plant pot right here. It's $1.99, which is so cute. We got artificial plants in there too. And we have a bedroom set up right there. And this is like their living room. Sofas. It's very affordable. And they're comfy too if you sit on them. You have a variety of them. It's cheaper than the other stores or like other furniture stores. This cute ottoman. This sofa bed for $149. And down here is like the cooking area, or I mean the kitchen stuff. Got cutting boards in there, some knives, and more of like containers, like glass containers. Those more wooden cutting boards, and like some dish racks that you can use. It's got pots and pans right here in this section. And like some more storage containers in this area, like glass Tupperwares. I don't know what you call that, but glass containers. And there's like wooden lids too that they sell with their glass containers. You can use that. This is like the napkin, like table napkin area. Like table runners and placemats. They have like a variety of colors, variety of designs, which is very affordable.
Hey guys, I just got home and I just finished shower. I had to shower right away, of course, because of COVID. We don't want to catch that. I want to share with you. I had a zit right there the other day, and I used this tea tree oil from the Body Shop. It's like a 20 ml bottle. It's 0.67 ounce. I just put like a little, or like in a Q-tip. I put a drop in a Q-tip and I put it in my zit, and I had another one in here. But look how amazing it is. It was just the other day, and look, it's just like a dot. Look how effective it is. So I would recommend using this tea tree oil right there. It's very effective. It's worth the price of it. It's not that expensive too. It's like $10. So yeah, it does really like your zit gets smaller, like it shrinks right away. It just dries it out. Do not pop your zit though. Just put a little bit in there and then it will be gone. So yeah, and of course we're gonna do our skincare routine. Not really skincare, but you know, something to take care of your skin while you're getting older. Just like combing my hair. Yeah. So I'm gonna use my night cream from CeraVe. You definitely have to use like sunscreen even if like at night, because like your gadgets, television or whatsoever does release some radiation too that can make your skin darker. So it's one level of protection too, so worth using it. So there we go. We are ready for the night. I mean, it's still early. It's I think 6 o'clock at night, but I got a shower and then just change to my pajamas, then I'll be ready for bed. My pajamas, I bought them from Shein. It's spelled as S-H-E-I-N. It's Shein and in. But if you search for it, it's just S-H-E-I-N. It's very comfy. I like it. Not hot. It's like silky satin-ish. I don't know what material it is. So there's that. I'm gonna show you what I got from Ikea. I had to disinfect it first, of course. So let's go. Hey guys, I'm back. I just got done wiping all the things that I bought from Ikea. I mean, not a lot, but I had to disinfect them with some Clorox wipes. So I want to show you what I got from Ikea. Might be kind of useless. I mean, it's useful, but you know, but they're good deals. Anyway, so I want to start off with this pillowcases. They're 2 in each pack. There's a pair in each pack, and they only cost like $4 each or $5 each. It's called Divala. That. So 2 of them for $4 or $5. Hey, it's a good deal. That's it. It's if you go to Ikea, there's like samples in there that you can see, of the texture of the whatever material it's used. So I got this one because I like it. It's DVALA if you want to check it out. So there's that, and of course there's a matching sheet and like fitted sheet, and there's 2 pillowcases in there too. So that's like a sheet, it's the same, it's Devala. I just added 4 more pillowcases because I use a lot of pillows when I sleep. I have like 5 or 6 pillows when I sleep, so yeah, I'm surrounded with all pillows. And it only costs actually like 10 or 15. I'm not sure, I forgot how much it is, but it's around 10 or $15 for this set. Also, I got this another set of sheets, and this one is only for $10 for 1 sheet and 2 pillowcases. I think fitted sheets and pillowcases. 2 pillowcases. They're cute for your kids, like that. They have different designs too if you want to check it out. They're cute. It has like animals in there. So yeah, it's, I don't know, I just like it. Sorry. Also, I bought this like washcloths. That's the name. It's Krama. There's 10 washcloths in there, and there's like a little thing. I should open it. Where you can hang it. There you go. You can use it like something in your kitchen and to wipe your hands. I know they don't like us using like your reusable ones, but if you're like your family at home, it wouldn't hurt to like use washcloths to wipe your hands. And then I bought like this pack only cost like $3 for 10 pieces, so that's really good deal. And I bought this little thing where you can hang those washcloths. This one only costs like $1. I can't open it. So you can hang it and like this. Ta-da! I'll use the other color. I don't know if you guys can see it. There. Then you can use it. Isn't it cute? It's affordable finds at Ikea. You should check it out. Also, I bought this little cute thing, like a key holder or whatever holder. So you have to like put a nail on the wall, and then it would hook, like it would attach to the wall like that. Isn't it cute? It's like a puppy butt and tail. Cute. So you hang your keys right there like that. Ta-da! Cute. Also, I bought this coasters. There's actually like 2 of them in there, but guess how much it is? I don't know. Ow. It is only for $1 for a pair. So they're cute. Look at this. Ta-da! So you get 2 coasters, 2 of them. You can buy more, but it's just like an affordable find that I want to show you guys at Ikea. Also, I keep saying also, I got this little rack. They call it a shoe rack, but I feel like you can like use it with whatever. Like you can put it in like a closet and let it stand. And you can put stuff on it. Oops. So it's like this, like a little rack. There. It's only $4. It's definitely like a good divider in like a cabinet. You put it in a cabinet, then you can put stuff over it, and then you can put like things underneath it too. Like it's a good thing for like laundry closet as well. So it's very useful. You guys should check it out. You just have to pull it. There we go. So there's that. $4 at Ikea. It is called, this is what it's called. I don't know how to pronounce it. Grejig. I don't know, but it's a good deal. $4. Just making a lot of mess here. And also I found this, oops, too loud. I found this little thing, little guy. It's called I don't know. That one. That's what it's called. It's the same, it's kind of the same as the rack too. But it should stand. Oh, you have, it comes with a screw that you have to do. That one. But it should look like this. Ow. Should look like this. So it's kind of in the cabinet divider too, that you could put and put stuff on top and put stuff at the bottom. Yeah, and this one is only for $6. Because I don't know why it's more expensive. It's like stainless steel, or I don't know what metal, whatever. Steel, I don't know, something, but it's very useful. I feel like useful for me, but should be useful for you guys too. It saves a lot of space and maximizes the space that you have in your cabinet. So there's that. And my most favorite thing that I bought was this guy. Ta-da! I'm gonna open it so you guys can see it. I'm just throwing it in my trash can there. Ow. Oh, there you go. There you go. You just have to snap it in there. There. Ta-da! A tray table. Tray table for like bed tray table or whatever. You're in a couch, you can use it too. So you can put, like, if you're in bed, you can put your laptop in here, you can write notes in here, you can study in here. I feel like it's very useful, and it's only for $10. Hey, what can you ask for? It's $10. Not even $10 actually, it's $9. $9 for this tray table. Is it cute? So cute. It's very cute. And you got like pencil or like whatever holder in here, like a tablet holder or an iPad holder. You can put your iPad in here, let it stand while you're studying. And I just find like my laptop would get hot when I just put it on bed, where you have to put it on like a flat or hard surface where like there's would be a vent and whatever, you know, like it won't get hot and it's bad for your gadget. Then I got this pot. I got 2 of them. I mean 2 of the white ones. 2 of the white ones. They're like 6 inches pot, plant, whatever it's called, pots, and they're porcelain. This one has like a glossy finish. So if you can see that, it's called Muscat. That one, MUSKOT. As you can see, I love plants, so. And this is only for $5 each. $5. Oh no! It's only for $3.99. $3.99. $3.99. Hey, very good deal. And it's porcelain. I bet they're more, and I've seen that they're more expensive in other stores. So, Ikea. And then I got this big gray pot. It is, I think it's 7.5 inches. This one has more of like a matte finish, but it's porcelain too. Is it porcelain? Yeah. Porcelain, I guess. Yeah, porcelain. And this is what it's called. I don't know how to say it, so you guys can read that. Very good deal as well. This is only for $9. This is like way more expensive in other stores. I promise they're very good deal at Ikea if you want to go check it out. I feel like they're cheaper at this time too because it's like winterish, winter is almost done and it's almost spring. So I think they're still less, or like they're still cheap at this time, other than if you buy it summertime, of course, because like everybody's planting and everybody's needing pots at summer. So there you go check out Ikea. And one last thing that I bought is this table runner. I don't know why I bought it, but I like it. It's only for $3 again. So it's white. I guess I bought it because it's white and I like it. This is what the name is. Oh, it's cute. Yeah, we got a short table. You can put it like that. I'm gonna example it on my table. Right there. But not for that table, of course. It's for like a dining table or a side table or like an entryway table. It's cute. And it's only $4. Did I say $4? Yeah, $4. No, I don't know. What did I say? How much of price was it earlier? That was it. So, yeah, it's very nice, very cute. So, those are all your Ikea finds. Go check out your local Ikea stores. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. And don't forget to like, click the notification bell button, or the bell button, click it down there, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Take care.